started our day off with some breakfast. Me and Will are making some egg McMuffins. So delicious. Last night I forgot to vlog, but I went to Mia's house and watched a movie and gave a haircut to someone. So after we played the games. But yeah, yesterday was such a fun day. But now we got a lot of work to do that we need done. But you can't work without eating, let me just tell you. So we gotta eat first. It's the worst vlogger. They were telling me I need to be vlogging. I'm taking part of my bed. Start packing vlog. I gotta pack. Okay, so I'll vlog it now. I'm like dying because I'm like holding the stuff. Taking a break, eating some fruit strips. I gave him one for helping. So good.
Is that time lapse?
They keep telling me to vlog, so it's because they want to be in the vlog and they'll watch it later. We just took these all down from the attic. Like, it's ridiculous. Why do we have so much stuff? It's crazy. My girl Trey. She just came over. We're making some chow. Oh yeah, puppy chow. If people don't know her signature stuff. So good, and a few of my other friends are gonna come over. I haven't vlogged for like hours because I took a nap and then I started packing my room and then I didn't vlog it because I'm like the worst. But anyways, yeah, we're still making some chow right now, so it'll be so good. Yes, girl. Okay, it's so funny. I just poured the text in here.
Cooking with your shell or whatever.
Oh yeah, hashtag cooking with Rochelle. Oh my gosh, I totally forgot. I know.
So loud and obnoxious.
Sorry.
Why
Okay.
did you like that shit vlogging?
But I'm actually like that. Do you see all that goodness? And then I was just gonna use our powdered sugar. Look at that. Wow, that is so good. You know what's up. But we actually do need some powdered sugar.
We need more chocolate. That's what we need. It didn't cover all the checks. Oh well.
It's hard to do it while I'm vlogging. Okay. Yes, just load it on, girl. Perf. Okay, let's mix this up. Wow. Every single video I just decided has like something junky I eat. Wow. People know the real me now. Is it good?
Decent.
Decent? What could be better? Next time we need to
More
step
chocolate on it, but it's
More
still
chocolate?
good.
I think it's good. Next time we gotta step up our game with that chocolate. Oh, yes. Give that massage. My brothers, my girls came over, eating that chow, getting massage. There's ma'am. Oh my gosh, this feels so good, Trey. Literally. Your bomb. Sup, Mies? How's it going? Good. Girls over here. And Maria's gonna do the hand thing. You're doing that in every single vlog of mine. My room is so messy because we're packing.
Gotta get the
fans. Took our bed down, all the boxes, my clothes. Yeah. Everything's going. It's so sad. Mies.
Am I still coming over? Oh, tomorrow.
Yes, come over.
What's tomorrow?
So is Josh.
I
always do
BuzzFeed.
BuzzFeed.
Like when we were going to beauty school, I was like, I wish I watched the shop.
Love it. Oh my
Because they want the
gosh.
AM sound.
It is right there. And then they just got the bell fixed, so it's like the biggest deal ever.
It doesn't look that different, honestly. I didn't even realize.
So we'll see how this goes. Look at those studs.
Oh, I wish we had that fruit right now, don't you?
Yeah, I know.
Probably gonna get a flower on my arm or something. Flower power me. Yeah.
Ew, my phone is so obnoxious. I should have put it away.
You're on the vlog. Show me your arm.
He's leaving us. Why? He's gotta work tomorrow.
My hair
So sad. We're doing hair. Well, he's braiding.
He's braiding.
Okay, yeah, I'll see you Friday. Okay, bye.
Trey.
She braided my hair. She's so good.
We'll try.
But anyways, so I'm gonna end this vlog here. We're just going to bed soon. Well, not really, but you know. I'll see you guys tomorrow on Tuesday.
I'm liking my picture.
Oh, bye.
That's cool.
JK, we are going to bed. It's like 1:30 at night and we're going to Raw Seafood.
Yeah, we are.
Why are we so lame? Actually, it wouldn't be lame.
We should be sleeping if we're late. This is
True,
not
like
late.
Trey that left hours ago.
Shout
Whatever.
out to Therese.
You're missing out on food.
But we still love you. It's okay.
True, we were actually just like 2 seconds ago talking about how great you are. I love it. I just got to their house and I have the best cup ever. It says fit-ish. Kind of fit, sort of fit, almost fit. Someone who wants to be fit, but also wants to eat all the food like they like. Literally me right now because we're making nachos at 1:25 a.m. Honestly, got all this stuff right there. Got the taco meat. Oh my gosh, this is so great meat. I love it.
I know. I'm not even surprised.
I love it. Yes, this is gonna be delicious.
Gotta live up your last week in the HUD.
I know. So sad.
Do they know you're moving?
Girl, I've only said it like 1,000 times. Trust me, the vlog knows we're moving. Oh man, oh man. Oh my goodness. Look at this. This seriously looks amazing. I can't wait to eat. Oh my goodness. We were saying literally, nachos are always there for you. In the good times and the bad.
True.
They're always there and they're like not super fatty, but they like satisfy you and they're just so good. I can't wait. Okay, let's go.
You better not eat it without me like the other day. Wait.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Literally so
Okay.
good.
10 out of 10.
For sure.